Hi, I'm Nick Jaynes, automotive enthusiast and journalist.
And I'm Kevin Sintumuang, Cultural and Lifestyle Director at Esquire magazine.
Tonight, Kevin and I are going to have a little fun. We're taking the Genesis G80 and BMW 840i. We want to see how these cars feel as experienced against the backdrop of the city that never sleeps. So Kevin, even before I got into this vehicle, the first time I ever saw it, the thing is obviously a knockout. It's got the classic rear-wheel drive proportions. It's provocative, but it's not in your face.
So this BMW, it's got a sleek exterior. That said, it's a BMW. I've seen a lot of BMWs.
How many horsepower do you have in that Beamer of yours?
It's like 370 and change, I believe.
No, that's 330. That's 330 all day long.
What
I'm the one with 375 horsepower.
So what are you saying I have less horsepower than?
Yes.
But Nick, I think my foot might be a little heavier than yours, so it just evens out, right?
That's fair. That's fair. I'll give you that.
Nick, you've really been talking up the G80. I think it's time to switch, man.
All right, Kevin, now that you're in the Genesis, what do you feel?
I love the knurled dials and knobs that are kind of repeated throughout.
And how about that 14.5-inch touchscreen there?
Yeah, it feels like next generation. Great resolution, and I really like the map.
I think someone once defined luxury as space. And one thing I really like about the Genesis is that I could actually fit in the back seat. I could not sit in the back seat of this 8 Series Grand Coupe. All right, Kevin, I think we gave these cars a pretty good workout, even though the weather didn't hold up.
Yeah.
But I'm dying to know what you thought of the G80.
It really surprised me. BMW, known entity, classic, but the G80 it was something else, composed, confident without being flashy.
Since I'm a guest in your city, I'm gonna leave it to you to pick where we go, though.
Just follow me, man.
The cars better look good out front, though.
Oh, they will. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, this will be great for the gram.